You're tuned in to Popular Cruising and our review of the expeditions offboard the Silver Discoverer from Silversea Expeditions. As you would expect, the Silver Discoverer is all about adventure. But adventure paired with luxury in the most remote regions of the world, where you can take a Zodiac cruise and explore for yourself. An operation that is expertly run by a wonderful expedition team. And that takes you straight into the wilderness, such as areas in Alaska not frequented by other cruise ships, and even the Russian Far East. That is not to be confused with something out of Star Wars. But indeed, the landscapes here are otherworldly. But you too can actually visit this in Alaska. And this in Russia. Most times the Zodiacs will also land, allowing you to step ashore, where you can explore the flora and the fauna and the history firsthand, at leisure or by hiking. Even when more traditional shore excursions are offered, the focus is indeed more adventurous, like visiting the Siberian Huskies in Russia. But before long, it's time to once more leave the city and head back into nature on expeditions that are almost all included and abundant in wildlife sightings that always speak for themselves. And your luxurious Silver Discoverer, home away from home, is always waiting. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to check out our other Silver Discoverer videos, subscribe to our channel, and visit popularcruising.com.